Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to write bash scripts. Okay, so let us see what is a bash script. As we can know, it is a plain text files used for automation and system management, where you can automate repetitive tasks and processing data, also system management and more. By using a single file, you can automate every other task which you want to perform in Ubuntu system. So that is how bash script work. So let us see the basic structure of a bash script. If you don't know, just remember one thing, that in start of the file you need to add this. Starting of the file you need to add this bin and bash, which tell the system which interpreter to use. This must be the very first line in the script. Once you did this, you can directly enter into writing the command. The example command is echo hello world. So let us see how to create and run a bash script. So in this life cycle, you can see you have to create a script file. To create a new file with a .sh extension, you can use any text editor such as Nano or Vim. Okay, so Nano and Vim are such text editors. I have previously uploaded a video on that. Please make sure to check it. Then make this file, that is Nano, the file name, to run and make it executable. For example, if I use myscript.sh, make it executable by chmod plus x myscript.sh. Once if you've done this, run the script by clicking /file name. So I'll make sure to execute the file also, don't worry. So as we are using right now /bin/sh, it is a bourne shell. In this same way, we have other interpreter also, like Python 3 interpreter, Node.js interpreter, Perl interpreter, Ruby interpreter and PHP interpreter. Final details for script execution is to ensuring your scripts run correctly with the right interpreter paths. So as previously we have seen, which interpreter is based on your choice, but you must choose. So we have seen all the steps right now. First thing, let us start creating a file. For this, I'll be using nano. Let us take myscript.sh. So this will open up a window which is called a text editor. Okay. Once this is done, we have to start with the Shebang line, as I told. Bin So this is the interpreter what we are choosing, as we see the basic structure. Once this is done, I'll start entering my code, which I say echo hello world. Once I done this, now you must enter Ctrl+O, press enter to save the file, then Ctrl+X to exit. Okay, so right now you have created myscript.sh. You have to, if you remember, you have to make this as executable file. For this, chmod plus x, ch is nothing but change, the modification, x is nothing but the executable of what, myscript.sh. We press enter, it has changed. Finally, I need to execute this file by saying /myscript.sh. If I execute hello world, the output as kill. So myscript.sh is no such file or directory. Let me see the error. It's not an error. Here we have to mention hash. I missed it. Control X. Now, yeah. Hello world. So this is how you guys can execute using scripting file. In my future video, I'll show the variables, functions, for loops, if loops, and all those things for this bash scripting. So in this video, we have seen how to write a bash script and what is bash script and what are the uses of bash script. So in my future video, let us see a series of bash script to discuss. Thanks guys, thanks for watching.